Today is Monday, August 12th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And we're still enjoying in the northern half of the United States temperatures that are a little bit cooler than normal for this time of the year, which means it's comfortable, but it's still plenty warm. But it is still hot in the south, and in parts of the south, like in Florida, we still have heat advisories that are going to be in effect for today. So this is a look at the map across the United States. We do have a nearly stationary front here, sort of drifting around. It's not a very well-defined front, so there's not a lot going on along it. But anywhere along the front here, there's an increased chance for an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, especially up here in the Central Plains. We're talking about portions of Kansas, maybe over toward Iowa and eastern Oklahoma. So that's where I think we're going to have the best chance for some showers and storms today, but it doesn't look like a big severe weather day. 80 today in Grand Rapids, 81 in Detroit, 70s in Cleveland, near 80 in Chicago. A couple of showers may cool you down there in Des Moines, and then we got a nice day for you in Minneapolis with a high near 80. 81 in Cincinnati and Louisville today, 87 in Nashville, near 90 in Memphis. Now, temperatures are going to hold pretty steady here for much of the week in the Midwest and around the Great Lakes. We may see those temperatures come up a little bit here by the end of the week, but then they're just going to come down again, I think, by the weekend. And this is the same deal for Chicago, coming up a little bit, maybe toward the middle of the week, and maybe just the slightest of cool downs by the weekend. In the southeast, we got that front, remember? So anywhere along that front, there's a chance for some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Yeah, it's not going to rain all the time. It's mainly an afternoon or early evening thing, and then they'll pass and it'll probably be dry again later in the evening. 94 today, New Orleans, 101 in Dallas, so this is where the heat remains. Again, this is the other side of the front, so north of the front, it's a little bit more comfortable. South of the front, it's still very warm and quite humid. So temperatures in the southeast, mainly staying in the low to mid 80s. We may see those temperatures come up a bit by the weekend, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. A heat advisory in effect for South Florida, including in Fort Lauderdale, as the heat index surpasses 100 later on today. There could be a couple of thunderstorms that cool down at least a few of us, but it looks like it's going to remain pretty hot around the South Florida area through the end of the week with those daily afternoon and early evening showers and thunderstorms. All right, that is your forecast on this Monday morning. I hope you all have a great start to your week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.